What's up, everyone? We are currently on Norwegian Breakaway in Italy. And for the next 10 nights, this balcony cabin is going to be our home away from home. So let's show you around. Let's see what's on the inside.
Oh, hey, welcome to my crib. Come on in. We are going to start off here at the bed. We always get the best sleep on Norwegian cruises. The beds are so plush. On either side of the bed, you have nightstands, and you also have a little extra storage space overhead as well. So coming over here to the couch. This couch is pretty big. Wouldn't you say, Aaron? Mm-hmm. It's quite comfortable, and my feet don't even touch the ground. They don't even touch the ground. Also, here's a little tip for you. Typically, these couches do turn into beds as well, but make sure you look underneath the couch because there is extra storage space. Now we are here at the desk, and it is a pretty long desk actually. You've got a little seat over here if you want to sit down. We did also get a lovely gift from Norwegian. Thank you all so much, from the general manager. Look at this nice fruit basket. Yes. If you want to gift yourself something or gift someone else something on a cruise, have it sent to their staterooms when they board the ship, it can be right in their room waiting for them, and that's always a nice way to kick off your cruise vacation. We can't forget, which is such a nice touch, is that they have a little mini coffee bar over here. Coffee and tea. Underneath the desk here, you have the mini fridge. But moving along, we have the television right here. And right here, we have the room service and mini bar menu. So if you want to get some breakfast early in the morning, you've had a long night of fun, and you don't feel like going up to the Garden Cafe for breakfast, you can always order room service. Underneath the television, we have more storage space. That's one of my favorite things about this room, is the amount of storage space that this room has to offer, because I am definitely an unpacker on a vacation. Comment down below if you keep your items in your suitcase for the whole cruise or if you unpack like you're at home. I personally have to unpack my stuff.
So I'm going to be your tour guide for the rest of our tour, and we're going to the bathroom. Let's go, come on. The bathroom is spacious. I can turn around in the bathroom, as you can see.
And for a standard bathroom on a cruise ship, this is definitely
bigger. Another perk that I love about Norwegian Breakaway is that we have the glass door and not the shower curtain, the dreaded shower curtain. As you can see, the shower is a nice size shower. I'm 6'1", I can turn around and I can move freely here. And don't worry if you forget your shampoo or your shower gel. Norwegian has soap dispensers here in their shower that provide the shampoo and shower gel. You have 2 shelves up top, and then you have 2 shelves at the bottom next to the toilet. Also some storage here under the sink where the trash can is. Speaking of storage, let me show you the closet. Many shelves where you can store your clothes, and also it has a safe. And on this side, you have your hangers and a couple of robes and slippers. And you can't forget the best part about any balcony cabin, the balcony. 2 seats and a table where you can come and relax. There's no better way to enjoy a cruise than actually listening to the waves and feeling the breeze in your hair or in your face, sitting here on the balcony. So that's the room. We hope you enjoyed our tour and our tips.
Thanks so much for watching, and happy cruising.
I'm hungry. Let's go to Garden Cafe and get some pizza.
Oh, yes, let's go. Oh, actually, can we go to Ocean's? Because those wings, though.
Oh, they got some good fries, too.
Oh, yes, and maybe some ice cream after.